Hello everyone. As I said that today we will be learning how to draw a wavefront. So two wavefront we will be drawing, one spherical wavefront and another plane wavefront. For both these wavefront I'll suggest the measurement and you are supposed to practice accordingly. So first, see over here, we had a point source of light, say S is a point source of light. We know that point source of light is going to emit light in all possible directions. So at time t is equal to 0, it has started emitting light. So after some time t, obviously it is going to travel some distance. So first let us take that measurement as 4 centimeter. So from the scale, with this scale, if you take 4 centimeter, okay, with this scale if you take 4 centimeter, you get a wavefront in this way. So this is what we have, a wavefront, first one, okay, and on this wavefront take point P, Q and R. Now these point P, Q and R, according to Huygens principle, is a secondary source of light and it will emit a secondary waves. So thereafter take a measurement for 2 centimeter. So 2 centimeter, okay, and with this 2 centimeter you start constructing wavefront. These are new wavefront which look like a design, but it is a new wavefront. So you continue to draw 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. So we have new wavefront. Now the bigger one is basically the tangent to all the circle. So initially it was 4, now it is 2, total comes 6 centimeter. So with the measurement 6 centimeter, this is what we have. You construct a wavefront. Okay, so this is a new wavefront what we get it, and this process continue. Again on this point, if you take P dash, Q dash, R dash, you construct a wavefront. Now total comes 8 centimeters, so you will be getting a new wavefront. So in this way we continue to get spherical wavefront from a point source of light. That is one part. Next part, we have plane wavefront. So plane wavefront means linear source of light. So linear source of light we have it. Okay, linear source of light we have it. Now for linear source of light, again we have taken point P, Q and R. Now again 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. This is what we have your measurement. You get 3 circle, and the next one is the tangent to all the circles. So tangent to all the circle will give you a new wavefront. However, the light emitted is in all possible direction, but we are supposed to take only forward direction, because by backward direction for propagation of light is ineffective according to Huygens principle. So this is how we construct spherical wavefront and plane wavefront. Continue to practice this diagram for nearly about 3 to 4 times. Then you will understand it, and it will be helpful for you when you will be learning reflection and refraction using Huygens theory.